Hello guys, and welcome to Writing Practices. In today's video, we'll be breaking down how to craft a legal reference letter. This type of letter is often used to vouch for someone's character, integrity, or qualifications in a legal matter. Whether you're a friend, colleague, or professional connection, your letter can play a crucial role in influencing a court or legal authority's decision. We'll use the provided sample template to guide our explanation, focusing on creating a well-structured and compelling letter. Let's get started. Header section, your information. The header provides the recipient with your details and contact information. Example, your name, your address, city, state, zip code, email address, phone number. This section ensures your identity and role in the matter are clear. Use your full name and accurate contact information. If your title or professional role adds credibility to the letter, include it here or in your signature. Date. The date establishes when the letter was written. Example, date, month, day, year. Use the format most commonly accepted in your region. Example, December 15th, 2024. Ensure it reflects the day you finalize the letter. Salutation, to whom it may concern. Since this is often addressed to a legal body or official, to whom it may concern is a suitable salutation. If you know the specific recipient, address them directly. Example, Dear Honorable Judge last name. Opening paragraph, introducing the subject and context. The first paragraph establishes your relationship with the individual and the purpose of the letter. Example, I am writing this letter to provide a legal reference for full name of the subject, who has requested my support in this matter. I have known subject's name for duration. Example, 5 years in my capacity as state your relationship or role. Example, employer, colleague, personal acquaintance, or legal professional. Based on my experience and observations, I can confidently attest to subject's name's positive qualities. Example, character, integrity, or specific competencies relevant to the legal matter. Key points to expand on. Relationship. State how you know the individual and why your perspective is relevant. For example, if you are their employer, mention your role and their position in the workplace. Duration. Mention how long you've known them. Longevity adds weight to your credibility. Purpose. Specify the qualities you're attesting to, such as their character, responsibility, or honesty. In this paragraph, you are essentially laying the foundation for why your opinion matters. If the case involves a custody dispute, highlight traits like reliability or nurturing tendencies. If it's about employment, emphasize professionalism and ethics. Body paragraph 1. Professional and personal attributes. The second paragraph dives deeper into the subject's qualities and provides evidence through specific examples or anecdotes. Example, in my interactions with subject's name, I have consistently observed specific traits. Example, responsibility, honesty, or dedication. For instance, provide a specific example or anecdote. Example, during specific situation, subject's name demonstrated remarkable integrity by ensuring fair treatment for all parties involved. Key points to expand on. Consistency. Emphasize how these qualities are a regular part of the person's behavior. Specific examples. Use real-life situations to illustrate these traits. For instance, during a challenging project, subject's name showed exceptional leadership by resolving conflicts and maintaining a positive environment. The goal here is to create a vivid and credible picture of the individual. By grounding your claims in observable facts, you strengthen the letter's persuasiveness. Body paragraph 2. Relevance to legal matter. This paragraph ties the individual's qualities to the specific legal situation. Example, given the circumstances of this case, I believe subject's name's specific quality or skill. Example, calm demeanor, dedication to responsibilities, or commitment to legal compliance makes them deserving of specific outcome or judgment being sought. Example, leniency, custody rights, or trust in their testimony. Key points to expand on. Alignment. Show how the individual's qualities directly relate to the legal matter at hand. For example, if it's a custody case, mention their ability to provide a stable and loving environment for children. Desired outcome. Be clear about what you're recommending. For instance, I believe they are deserving of leniency due to their consistent efforts to rehabilitate. This section bridges their character with the case, giving the recipient a clear rationale for your support. Body paragraph 3. Closing statement. Wrap up the body with a strong statement of support. Example, it is my belief that subject's name is a person of high moral standards and is capable of handling this matter responsibly. I trust that the court or relevant authority will find this reference helpful in making an informed decision. Key points to expand on. Confidence. Express your belief in their ability to handle the matter responsibly. Reassurance. Reiterate their positive traits in summary form. Your closing statement should leave the recipient with a strong positive impression of the individual. Final paragraph. Offering assistance. End by inviting further inquiries and providing your contact details. Example, please feel free to contact me at your phone number or your email address if you require additional information or clarification regarding my reference for subject's name. Key points to expand on. Availability. Show your willingness to provide further details if needed. Clarity. Include your preferred method of contact for convenience. This final gesture demonstrates your commitment to vouching for the individual and adds to your credibility. Signature. Sign off formally and professionally. Example, sincerely, your full name, your title if applicable. If submitting a physical letter, include your handwritten signature. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing a legal reference letter. By structuring your letter thoughtfully and grounding your claims in specific examples, you can create a compelling reference that effectively supports the individual's case. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Practices. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.